Hello students, welcome back. Once again, this is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am. How are you all? Well, we haven't met since a few days now, but it's time for your summer vacation. So, like this, every week in the month of June, I'm going to meet all of you in the video lesson only once. One video per week. Okay students, and then you have the WebEx session every Saturday in which I will also be present. So make sure you all are there in full attendance. Okay, so students, this is your revision video number 1. That means today we will just do a quick recap of whatever we have discussed in all these months. We have done so many chapters in English, isn't it? We have completed 3 chapters in course book. The first was the very simple and easy poem Trianti Vanti Gongola. And then we have done chapter number 2, which was a very interesting and very emotional story, a life lesson, isn't it? Then number 3, Journey by Night, the most challenging and adventurous story about those two brothers, Sher Singh and Kunwar. Okay students, well, I hope you all have now by discussed and completed and done all the book exercise also, because in every home assignment I give you question answers, word meanings and all other things, but book exercise you have to do all alone by yourself, and for that make sure you all are having the books at your home. So students, after that let's come to grammar. In grammar we have done one topic, that is pronouns, which was a very lengthy topic, but it was not a difficult one. It was something which we all have done so many times in 6th class, 5th class, 7th class, and now again in 8th class we have done the revision. Okay, next thing, coming to writing section. In writing sections we have done 2 topics, that is notice writing and email writing. Both are a little similar and a little different, but both are very interesting. And as I told you, notice writing, you should become really perfect in it. Why? Because notice writing is a topic which will come even in your 12th class board exams. So you have to be very active and attentive when you do that work. Okay? And email writing, I am very impressed because many of you have given me answers in the emails, but still it's not like 100% of the students have done that. I know some of you are still lagging behind. So please students, utilize the time of your summer vacations and make sure you send me the answers in the email, and you keep on doing the written work in your fair registers. Now in today's video lesson I want to discuss a few points with you. So let us quickly come on our screens and have a look. But before I do that, what are the 3 things that you all will do first? You are going to click on the like button. Quickly click on the like button, and then you're going to share this video, and then you have to make sure you all are my subscribers. Now come on students, have a look at your screens. Revision video number 1. Points to be noted. Lockdown activities should be written only till 31st of May. Number 2. English holiday homework will be uploaded on the coming Sunday, that is 7th of June. Number 3. Project work will also be given this time, which needs to be done with interest and creativity. Number 4. You can discuss your thoughts and ideas related to project work with me through the comment box. Next, also please attend the WebEx session on 6th of June according to timetable. Next, the written work of all the topics should be neatly completed in fair registers for checking whenever the school reopens, and those who have done parts of some work in sheets, rough registers and old registers, better everyone try your best to combine it all neatly in your fair registers itself. And last, self-assessment tests of chapter 1 and chapter 2 should be honestly done and checked by you on separate sheets and kept neatly in a folder, which will also be checked later. So students, now a reminder for all of you, be careful, be aware and be safe. Take care of yourself, keep on sanitizing, and most importantly, happy holidays everyone. Enjoy your summertime. Well students, this was all we had to discuss today. Now I will meet you all on the WebEx live session on 6th of June. So make sure you all are present there and start doing your project work, your homework as soon as you get it, and keep on revising all the topics we have done. And if you have any problem, what are you going to do? You're going to talk to me through the comment box, but with your name, class and section. Okay students, that's it. Happy holidays everyone. I hope to see all of you soon. Be safe. Take care.